Welcome to the magical world of everyday science. Today, we discover the invisible secrets of how the microwave heats up your food.
Imagine you want a warm, delicious snack after playing outside. You put cold leftovers inside the machine and press the start button.
Suddenly, the plate starts spinning around and around. The food gets steaming hot in minutes, but how does this magic actually happen? It seems like wizardry because we cannot see any fire or bright red heating coils like a normal kitchen oven uses every day.
Let us look inside the metallic walls to find the secret helper hiding away. Get ready to meet the mighty Magnetron tube. When electricity rushes into the magnetron, it transforms into small waves of energy. These are called microwaves, just like the oven's name. These are not ocean water waves. They are similar to invisible radio waves that travel through the air to bring music everywhere. But these special kitchen waves are much shorter and pack a lot of energy. They bounce around inside the strong metal oven. Did you know that almost all yummy foods contain lots of tiny hidden water droplets? These droplets love the invisible energy waves. These tiny water molecules act just like little toy magnets. They have a positive side and a negative side that pull things.
When the passing microwaves hit these little water magnets, they force them to twist around to line up perfectly with the wave.
Because the energy wave changes direction millions of times every single second, the water molecules must twist back and forth constantly.
When you rub your hands together quickly on a cold winter day, your palms start to feel very warm and cozy, right?
This warming effect is called friction. It happens whenever two surfaces bump and slide against each other with a lot of speed.
Inside the food, millions of spinning water molecules bump violently into their neighboring sugar and fat molecules during the cooking cycle. All this frantic bumping and rubbing creates immense heat that spreads quickly through the entire meal, warming it up from inside. Many people think microwaves cook food from the inside out, but they actually heat all the water parts together at once. Now you know the secret of the water dance. Let us see why certain bowls are safe to use inside here. Have you ever wondered why the glass plate stays relatively cool while your soup gets boiling hot inside the microwave oven? Glass, ceramic, and special plastics do not have water molecules inside them. The energy waves pass straight through without stopping them. But shiny metal objects like forks and foil are a completely different story. They reflect the waves like a bright silver mirror. Bouncing waves off metal can create dangerous electrical sparks that might damage the machine. Keep metal far away from your microwave. Always look at the bottom of containers for a small symbol showing squiggly lines. That means it is safe for cooking.
Now you know that microwaves are not magical boxes. They are brilliant machines using basic physics to feed us very quickly.
The magnetron makes waves. The waves spin the water molecules, and friction creates the heat that cooks our meals perfectly.
Next time you hear the oven bell go ding, remember the invisible dance happening inside your food before you eat.
Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please subscribe my channel, How It Works.